Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to see how to install Apache on managed nodes, and also we are going to see how we can run more than one task from a single playbook. For this I am going to use existing playbook called install packages.yml. If I open this one, you can see it is installing a package. Same thing I want to do for the Apache as well. So let me copy this one onto install httpd.yml. Now let me edit this file, install httpd.yml. So here instead of tree we are going to use http. We are going to use httpd. So state installed. So this is to install the httpd service. Once we install httpd, then we need to start the httpd service, right? So to start the service, we are having a module called service. We can go and search for that. So Ansible module to start a service. So you can see a module called service we have. Ansible documentation, let's open it. Alright, if you see here, name it is required. So the name of the service we should provide, and state whether reloaded, restarted, started, stopped. This is the information, and examples to start HTTPD service. This is the one we should use. Let's use the same thing. So to add another task, as I said, if you are adding more than one task, so task should be start from the same alignment. So name I'm giving start httpd service, start httpd service, and module is service. What is the name of the service? httpd state started. Okay, started is the state, and the name also I'm going to change it to this playbook install httpd. Okay, so on web servers only I want to install it. Let's save this one. Let's open and see what is the content is there in that. So first what I am doing, I am becoming a, okay, I should become a root, otherwise it won't execute. Anyway, I'm going to give -b option, then install packages. So installing package, that is httpd, and install. Once it is installed, we are starting the service. And if you see the alignment, both are started at the same indentation. Next, these two also, task and module also in the same indentation like above task, and these also are the same indentation. This is how you can define the modules. Right, now let's execute Ansible playbook -i hosts. Okay, each time if I don't want to give -i hosts, I can create a ansible.cfg file over here. Let me create it. So I'm creating a ansible.cfg. So inventory file I'm going to define over here. Before creating, let's see how we need to define more/etc ansible.cfg. If I open this one, you can see this is what we are going to define. So let me copy this one, quit, clear the screen, vi ansible.cfg, and I'm just copying this content and uncomment this and go and change our hosts file. And please note that host file can be anything. It doesn't mean that it should be hosts. Okay, /opt ansible hosts. All right. So if I see here, we have Ansible hosts. Now if I run Ansible --version, you can see here, actually it should take /etc ansible ansible.cfg, right? A default configuration. But in our current location, it found a new ansible.cfg file, so it treating this as a default one, and it takes all the values from this, and still it requires few other values. It go and gather from the default ansible.cfg file. Okay. If you see here, become true we haven't specified, so it go and validate over there. So become false over there, so you cannot run Ansible playbook as a root user. Now let's execute Ansible playbook, I'm not giving any hosts file because it's already updated over here. It is going to take this ansible.cfg file. Then I want to do only on web servers. Yes, of course it happens. Then install httpd -b, because become true we have commented it out. Let me show. I'm not executing it. Cancelled it. Install httpd .yml. You can see here this playbook install httpd and on web servers only, and become true is commented it out. That is the reason I am giving -b option. Let's execute this one. So whenever we execute, it should install httpd on the target system and start the service. Let me go and see my ps-ef grep httpd. You can see nothing is running. Similar way, okay, so none of these systems it's running. Anyway, on Ubuntu system we are not going to install. So here it is also not running, here also not running. Okay, clear. Let's execute it. And also we can check the rpm-qa grep httpd. It tells you that whether httpd packages are installed or not. Seems it's installed just now. Even here also few would be there by default. On top of that one it installs additional one. So I think it is successful over there. No, it's failed. Unsupported patterns. System D start. Okay, installation is successful. Starting, sorry, this is not start, this is state. Okay, there is a typo. Let's edit this. Va install httpd. So this is not start, state. It is started. So currently packages has been installed. Second task is not successful. Let me rerun it, and this time it will just show you as a OK because it's already installed. All right, it is installed and this also started. Now if I check for the service, it's running. Even on this system also it's running. So now we can access this from the browser. Let's go here and let's select RHEL. So I'm taking the public DNS, and make sure that port number 80 is opened at the security group level. While creating this security group, we have opened that port. So let me give this one. So port number 80, yes, RHL Enterprise. Similar way, if I try on Amazon managed system, there also you can access it. Okay, test page, it is on Amazon Linux and this is on RHL server. If I try to do same on Ubuntu system, it doesn't work because currently we haven't installed on this one. It won't work because it is not up and running. I'm going to show you in next couple of lectures how we can install on this system as well. So now let's go back and we are going to remove these packages. So to remove, I'm going to clear. First we need to stop the services, then remove. Okay, it is reverse order, right? So let's open this file. Now I'm going to copy this file because we want to remove it, right? Uninstall. I can name it as a uninstall httpd. Now edit this file according to that. So this playbook uninstalls httpd on web servers. Let me enable the become true. So I have enabled, and first we need to give the service. Okay, so let me remove this and add it in the down. So first name stop httpd service, and this is stopped. Next task is name uninstall httpd yum, then name httpd state removed. Okay, removed is the option to remove it or uninstall it. So let's execute Ansible playbook uninstalled underscore httpd minus minus check. I'm just checking it out. Okay, it is going to stop and it removes. So I'm running this playbook. Once it is executed, we cannot see the packages over there, and service also in stopped state. So it stopped the httpd service, uninstalling the package. Let's try to check the service first. It's not running. And if I check the packages, you can see earlier it was having 4 packages. So this package has been removed. Same thing over here. If I check, service has been stopped, and if I check for the package, this package has been removed. Yep, this package has been removed. So that is how we can remove the services. And if I go and refresh pages now, it won't work. And this also, both are not working. Okay, this also, it's not working. Clear? So that is how we can install or uninstall packages by using Ansible. We are going to work with HTTPD more in the further lectures as well. That's all for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture.